In this short tutorial, I'll take you through how to create multiple choice question groups and how these types of questions work. The first thing to be aware of is how question groups work on the Participant Hub. Each time you want to add a new question, you'll add what's called a question group. This is simply a group of questions of the same type. You can add just one question to a group or more if you'd like to. We have 4 different types of questions that you can add. Multiple choice questions appear to participants as a question with a list of options to select from to answer. They appear in a similar way to categorical questions, but the difference for multiple choice question groups is that all questions in the group will have different options as responses for participants to select from. For all multiple choice questions, our system creates pie charts and bar graphs to display the results. When you first create a multiple choice question group, you'll have the option to give your group a title, add text, which you can use to give participants instructions on how to complete that section of the questionnaire, and add a media item if you'd like to. If you've chosen to do a 2-independent sample study with controlled group allocation, there's an advanced option for you to tick the Use Response as Group Selector box. This means that the question group will be the one used in the analysis to split participants into groups. Once you've added your information, click Update and you'll be brought to this page, where you can view the information you've just added and start to add questions. If you'd like to change the title, text, or media items associated with a question group, click on the pencil icon, which will take you back to this page. Make your changes and click Update. From here, you can also delete a question group and start again if you'd like to by clicking on the bin icon. Click on the New Question button to get started with adding questions to your group. First, type in your question. Next, add in the options that participants can respond with. You can add more options by clicking the plus icon. You can remove options by clicking the minus icon. Once you've added all your options, you need to set how many responses you would like from each participant. Participants can answer with as few or as many responses as you choose. You can also make the question optional by unticking this box. If you want to add more multiple choice questions to the group, click Save and Add. If you want this group to just consist of one question, click Save. As you can see, by clicking Save and Add, we've added another question to the group. All other questions in the group will appear here on the right-hand side. Here, you can type in your next question. You'll have to add another set of options for participants to respond with. Once you've added all the questions you'd like to add, click on Save and you'll be taken back to the Question Groups page. From here, you can go back and add another question. Clicking the arrow next to each question will open a drop-down of the question. This gives you information about the options you've included for that question, the minimum and maximum number of answers participants can give, and whether the question is optional or not. From this page, you can also change the order of questions by using the arrow icon to drag and drop. You can click on the bin icon to delete a question. Once you're happy with the group of questions, you can add another group by clicking on the buttons in the top panel. When you have more than one question group created, you can change the order of groups by using the arrow icon to drag and drop. For information on the other types of question groups, check out the other video tutorials in our user guide.